We all know the story of Noah's Ark. We've been told the tale since we were children, often at bedtime. Noah builds an ark because God's going to send a flood. Noah fills the ark with 2 of every animal, male and female. The rain comes, the ark floats, everyone on board survives, everyone not on board perishes. When the rain subsides, the ark comes to rest on a mountain. The ark door opens, and all the animals depart to repopulate the earth. Everyone lives happily ever after. End of story. We all go to sleep. It's just another fairy tale, another book on the shelf, like Aesop's Fables or Dr. Seuss. But there are those who believe the story, as incredible as it may seem. Those who have spent fortunes trying to find the mountain upon which Noah's Ark came to rest, to actually find the Ark's remains. These people have built elaborate models of Noah's Ark, calculated the number of animals the vessel could have held, explained, rather poorly, the geology of Noah's great flood, and others have argued against them. Others have pointed out the flaws in their theories, but the arguments continue. Neither side seems capable of convincing the other of the folly of their position. Until now. I have proof Noah's flood, as described in the Bible, could not have happened. And it's as simple as 2 + 2 = 3. You see, it starts with the departure from the ark of the 2 zebras and the 2 lions. 2 by 2 they entered the boat, and 2 by 2 they departed. But with all the other zebras absent the face of the earth, what was the first thing the lions did after having been cooped up all those months aboard the ark? No more zebras. So, where'd all these guys come from? And no fair saying evolution.